sợ rồi chị mẹ. Thế chị à? Oh.
My pleasure. Glad I could help. Now, let me amaze you with my supervision. Super Spy? Yes, Jaya. Over this way. Oh, there you go. There you are. Oh, alright. I think I can fix this. Hold on. Here we go. Oh, yeah. That's much better. I can see right to the North Pole now. Thank you, Jaya. No problem at all. Glad I could help. Well, I think I'd better get on my way now so that you guys can get on with your superhero work. I'll see you later. Hey, don't go, Jaya!
Yeah, you've been great.
As a matter of fact, you've been super. You know, you really are a superhero.
Thật à?
Fix my wand and my jetpack.
And my supervision.
You're a super duper fixer-upper.
Super duper fixer-upper. I like the sound of that.
So it turned out Jaya was super after all. They decided to celebrate the new member of their superhero team. I'm Captain Zoom.
I'm Super Spy.
I'm very fabulous.
And I'm Super Fixer-upper. Super, super, super. They call us Super Duper. Wherever we are, whatever we do, we'll come in a flash to help save you. Save you. We'll come to help save you.
And I think it would be pretty super duper to make a little more music. Let's go!
Thiệt à? Chết rồi.